Be ready. Start. While much has been done in the sphere of central taxation, a great deal more needs to be done in regard to mobilizing the savings of the people, small and large, whether for the public sector or the private sector. Stop. Honorable members will appreciate that the large increase in borrowing from the banks by private business indicates that the problem of finding non-inflationary finance for development is not peculiar to the public sector alone. Stop. It is often said by critics of the public sector that the public sector is able to fight what might be called great inflationary threat to finance or the money that is created. Stop. But today the position is that much of the improvement that has taken place in the private sector and that is taking place today is dependent on bank credit or credit from financial institutions. Stop. Therefore, the cry that government are the major contributories in regard to inflation by spending in the public sector would not be correct. Stop. But I do not say that in itself is wrong because it means some development. Stop. It also throws upon the government the responsibility for keeping a more watchful eye on monetary movements than they normally have to do. Stop. Therefore, it makes it all the more necessary for us to mobilize the savings of the people, and the problem of internal resources for the plan rests on that. At the present juncture, my colleague speaking yesterday spoke about small savings, so that I will content myself with impressing once again on honorable members the organizational and other efforts that we must make to promote savings if internal resources are yet to be avoided from becoming a bottleneck in our plan implementation. Stanza. While I am still on the subject of internal resources, I would like to refer to one point made by our House financial expert. Stop. He complained about the lack of uniformity in the rate of sales tax in different states and suggested the introduction of a comprehensive bill in Parliament to bring about uniformity. Stop. The first point to remember in this context is that taxation of sales or purchases inside a state is a state subject, while that on sales or purchases in the course of interstate trade is a union subject. Stanza. As regards the state sales tax, after the coming into force of the Central Sales Tax Act of 1956, certain goods have been declared to be of special importance in interstate trade or commerce, that is cotton yarn, coal, etc. Stop. On these commodities, restrictions have been imposed on the powers of states to levy tax. Full stop. Over.